What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to get started with Pocket Option. So if you're planning to start using Pocket Option here and how you're wondering how do you get started, well, this one is actually pretty easy. Now, in order for you to get started here with Pocket Option, you first need to create your account. So you want to go to pocketoption.com, and usually at the right side here, you have the sign up, or in this case, sign up with your Google account. Now you can either choose one of the options here. So you gotta choose your email, password, and promo code option here, which is a manual way for you to create your account. But if you want to connect your Google account, you can go and click on continue. Now, by the way, you may not see this option here. So if you're in the login page, this may not be available to you. So you want to make sure that you switch over to registration. So let's go and click on Google here since we want to use our Google account. Let's go and choose our Google account here. And let's go and click on continue. And once you hit on continue here, this will actually allow you to create your account. And as you can see right now, we've just created our Pocket Option account. Now the thing with Pocket Option here is it will first welcome you. And in this case, you go and just set your account settings here, click on confirm. And from here, you could go and just basically start the option here. So let's go to the platform right now. But if you want to do the tutorial or guide here, you could go and do that. Now the thing with Pocket Option is there are two accounts that you could get in here or use in here. So first is the real account, which is what you are currently using right now. Now if you want to use a dummy account or a practice account, you could go and click on the Qt Real at the top right here. And basically choose the Qt Demo. Now in the Qt Demo, you could go and just start experimenting on different strategies that you may want to use in here. So if you want to try something, you could go and do that in here as well. But if you want to use your real account, you can go and click on Qt Real in here. And also in the Qt Real, you can go and click on top up at the top right here. And you go and start topping up your account. Now you could go to finance as well if you want to. And you could go and just choose the options here for depositing, withdrawing. You also see your history here, cashback, promo codes, and you're safe. So if you want to deposit something in your account, you can go and click on deposit. And from here, you can go and just choose the method that you want to make the deposit. So there are a lot of methods in here, so make sure to choose one that actually is available to you. You can go and use your Visa card or MasterCard if you want to. But yeah, so that's how you get started here with Pocket Option. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.